Hi, my name is Oriana Bretschger. I'm the CEO and founder at Aquacycl, and welcome to Wastewater Wednesdays. Now, we're going to talk about dollars and cents and what it takes to manage your wastewater if you are an industrial producer. So first, let's think about all that goes into wastewater management. First of all, you need to quantify your volumes, your flows, your concentration. You need to have a permit for discharge, whether directly to the environment or to a sewer, or permitted to haul off-site and discharge somewhere else. Now, if you want to manage all of your wastewater on-site locally, you have to really assess what is going to be the cost benefit for that. And in doing so, you need to address all of the different parts of your process that are generating wastewater. What are those volumes? What are those concentrations? Do you also have to consider holding tanks and liquid-solid separation and treatment? And to what degree of treatment do you need? Do you want to reuse that water, or are you just trying to mitigate costs to the sewer or hauling? Where are you going to use the water? Are you going to use it in your cooling tower, which can be a lower quality? You're going to put it back to your boiler or to your clean-in-place processes, which has to have a much higher quality than FDA regulations. All of that is going to play a role in determining what is the best fit for your wastewater management needs. Now, if you're going to do it on site, it's important to select the technologies and companies that can help you do this, so you can focus on your core product production and simplify all of that management process. And that's where Aquacycl comes in, providing wastewater treatment as a service. We will work with you to identify all of these different areas to optimize, making sure that whatever we bring in for your treatment requirements has the least amount of equipment, the smallest footprint, and the least amount of trouble for you. We provide on-site treatment assets, as well as remote monitoring and controls, plus a service team that's always watching and will come to your site, providing on-site maintenance, emergency response, and sludge removal, all of the regular maintenance and operational requirements for a wastewater plant. But you don't have to put any money down to do it. We operate on multi-year contracts, helping you save money, meet your wastewater management goals, and simplify the whole process. Find out more at aquacycl.com.